tutorial for Blueprint Academia. Today we're going to talk about the role of the ACGME scholarly report. So when you log into Blueprint Academia, you're going to be in your faculty profile. The way you know about it is it's going to define it out here. So when you come to the left-hand menu, right at the bottom, it's going to say ACGME report. Click on that. It's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. So this is scholarly report looks like within the system. So you're going to choose your scholarly report, the academic year. And when you do that, it automatically populates all the elements of the ACGME report from your academic CV. So as long as your information is correct in the academic CV, it will pull that information and auto-populate all these fields for you, including the PMIDs. You can always verify that by checking out here in the view button, and it'll tell you whether these are the ones that you published that particular year. Once you've done that, then you can go ahead and export your PDF. And when you export the PDF, it's going to look something like this. So the PDF looks very similar to what the actual ACGME report is supposed to look like. So your coordinators can just print this out and submit it for that particular academic year. So it's a single click export once you've confirmed whether the information in this is correct or not. So it makes it very, very easy for you. Thank you so much for supporting Blueprint Academia. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.